This is probably a new thing you've never heard of before. Are there any questions on this diagram or what any of those points mean or why I think it's cool or why I think it relates to screenwriting?
Peter, you're saying that this applies to characters, this applies to plot, this applies to everything, just in streets, right?
I think it applies to learning, it applies to character and plot, it applies to theme, it applies how you lay down information, just the whole information management of writing a script, what you need the audience to know in order to prepare them to feel some emotion later on. Maybe you introduce a character and he's an asshole, and then later you find out he's not an asshole. The first time you introduce him, the audience is going to conclude he's an asshole.
Right.
And then later he does something nice, and the audience thinks he's not that bad after all. So this reasoning is always at play, and we can just use it to our advantage. I'll take a character and I'll think maybe he's the SC character, maybe he's the NC character, maybe he's this or that, and then just sort of play with it. In the past, I did that a lot, but now, as I've written more scripts, I think to myself, I need this character, and he's going to need that guy, and then there's going to have to be this element that opposes him, and then I just sort of create various primary characters based on this model. I even choose names based on this model. If they're an NC character, I'll choose a name that sounds like an asshole, and if they're an SC character, maybe they have a sweet name. Robert McKee says there are certain principles that just create good storytelling, and you can learn them and follow them, or sort of tweak and flip them, or you can disregard them altogether. I find it very freeing.